This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can adjust the interface text size on this smartwatch. So in order to change the size of system font, you will first need to wake your watch up. Next, go into settings through either the control panel or the app view, doesn't matter. Then inside the settings menu, select display, then text size, and here you can either you can adjust the size of text through either scrolling the crown button, so select here I guess, and well, disregard, it does not allow me to do that, so you will need to use those minus and plus signs. So now you can decrease the text by clicking minus, or increase it by clicking the plus icon, and make it all the way large to the largest, so you can switch between largest, larger, large, medium, and so on. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.